Hello and welcome back to Maths Plus. We're covering question 7 of the 2022 Junior Cert Higher Level Maths. So let's have a look at the question. It looks really tricky here at the start, but the question is based on log rules. So we're going to look up the log rules and look at which rules are applicable to this combination when we have a series of numbers with powers. The second question we're going to use similar formula, and on the third one we have to solve for this unknown down here, m. Okay, so we have to use a number of log rules to solve part B. So let's get started. So Amy and Joe are asked to pick values from the numbers p, q and r so that the following combination is true. So we have a to the power of p multiplied by a to the power of q multiplied by a to the power of r is equal to a to the power of 12. So in this case we're going to look up the log tables, and you can see we have a series, and when we have a series we can plus the numbers. Okay, so Amy picked three values that are the same, p is equal to q, which is equal to r. So this means that we have to divide the 12 by 3, very straightforward, and we're going to get 12 over 3 is equal to 4. So we're going to get p, q and r are all 4s. So we have a variation now where Joe picked three values which are all different. So let's go back to the rule. So this is addition when we have the powers in series. Therefore we can choose any numbers, any three numbers which will sum up to 12. So let's go with 10 plus 1 is equal to 12. We could choose any other combination, 6 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 12, and so forth. So let's go with the 10 and the 1. Keep it simple. So p is equal to 10, q is equal to 1, and r is equal to 1. Alright, so finally we have a tricky enough looking combination. So we have a fraction, and also we have an unknown over here, and we have this m value. So let's look at the rules which are relevant here, because we have a fraction down here and we need to find out what will we do with that b. Well, first of all, let's rewrite it. So we're going to go with b to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of minus 2. So that's the original series rule we were working with. And then below we have a fraction, but we're going to apply the power of 1 with the b. So b is equal to b to the power of 1. Let's look up the relevant rule now, because we need to bring up the b. So if we go to this log rule where we have this one here, we're going to zoom in on that one, and that means that if we have a power down here we can bring it up and change the sign. So let's bring it up. So that will be b to the power of m multiplied by b to the power of minus 2, and the one below is negative, so it will be b to the power of minus 1. Alright, so now we have the series. There's one more step now with the algebra. We have to combine everything together and then set it equal to 10. So let's combine it all together. So therefore we will have m minus 2 minus 1. So b to the power of m minus 2 minus 1. And you can see we're using this rule again, where we have the powers in series. And that's equal to b to the power of 10. So let's solve. So we get b to the power of m minus 3. So m minus 3 is this value up here, And we can compare it to the 10 over here. That's equal to 10. Bring your 3 across, and therefore m is equal to 13. And that's our answer for the indices. So a massive thank you for joining Maths Plus, and look out for the next video, which will be coming very shortly.